Hi, Michelle here from StrawBearie Designs, and today is my laundry room makeover tour. And almost everything in here, we did ourselves. Several years ago while we were on vacation, a pipe broke and flooded our entire downstairs. And the money that we got from the insurance we used to redo our bathroom and to give the finishes a lot nicer finish. And we knew that finishing off the rest of the house would take a little while. We'd do what we could as we could afford it. So we finally have finished the laundry room. This used to be paneling. In fact, the door used to be over here a little bit more, and we moved the door so that there was room for a bathtub on the other side of the wall in the bathroom. We live in what I call an upside down house. It was built as a lake house up on stilts, and then they filled in the bottom. And so this is a pylon. It is a concrete pole, and I have them all over the downstairs, and I painted it gray, trying to give it a kind of an industrial look. There's also another one actually behind the washer and dryer over that way. When we redid the laundry room, we put in a lot more outlets. There's an outlet on the wall here, and on that wall, and on that wall, so that we can plug in anything that we need to plug in. We also redid our ceiling. We put access to our attic, and we put a new fun light up there. My husband did a lot of the construction and building work, and I did a lot of the decorating type work. The tile floors matched the tile from the bathroom. We did buy extra tiles when we did the bathroom. And I laid the tiles, my husband cut them, and I did the grouting. And I also painted a little bit on our freezer. The rugs are carpet squares that I got from Dollar Tree that I taped together on the back side. I would really like to have a blue and yellow rug at some point, but I haven't found one that I like yet. These are metal cabinets that we bought from IKEA. We lucked out in that these blue ones were like the last day that they were selling this color, so they were on sale, half price. These are Dollar Tree baskets, dog toys in this one. And so just keeping things in our cabinets. Over here we have an IKEA thing to dry your delicates. It actually holds a whole bunch of stuff with all these little things. And it's just on a shelf bracket that's also from IKEA. On the shelf below the cabinets, I made this by picking up a 1x6 and some shelf brackets from Home Depot. And I put a cookie jar here, and inside of there we have our laundry pods. Just because they're inside of a cookie jar does not mean you can eat them. No eating them. I have a little bucket of dryer sheets. That was from IKEA. Got a plant. Had this little bank for a long time. It says gas money, so this is where all the money that we find in the laundry will go. And this one has dryer balls. Below our cabinets, we have a freezer full of food. At the bottom of the freezer, we have our dog's water. All right, on the wall next to the cabinets is a door to outside. And I created this curtain, just sewed up some seams of some fabric, put some cup hooks up here and some wires so that we can open and close it. And below, at the bottom of the is the dog door, where the dogs come in and out. And there is a stool there so that the little short dog can get in and out the dog door. Next to the door, we have just storage, paints and costumes, and just, big totes and suitcases and things that we need to store. Next to the storage is our washer and dryer, and I made the decal. So our dryer says, "Let's get ready to tumble," and it's just white vinyl on the windows, and the washer says, "Soak up good vibes." Next to the washer, we have this sign that I made. It says "Laundry today or naked tomorrow." And I just printed this off on my printer and then mounted it on a larger sheet of blue paper and hung it from a hanger. Below this, we have our lint box, our lint trash can. It is a thing for realtors to put their signs and stuff in. I spray painted it, covered it with washi tape, and some vinyl letters. Our space isn't really big, so I bought online this laundry board, and it fits over the door, and it sits here just perfectly to do some ironing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked my laundry room makeover tour. Please hit that like button if you did, and subscribe, and tell all your friends. And if you have any questions about anything that we did in the room, just leave it in the comments below and I'll try to get back to you. Thank you so much and have a great day crafting away.